Hello viewers, here is a set of Panasonic cordless telephones. This is model KX-TG1031S. Here's a look at the informations. Per that tag, this set would have originally come with 4 handsets. I'm only using 2 of them at the moment. The other 2 are not working. The rear speakers are spoiled, I guess. This set here, this handset, had a very vibrating speaker, and I opened that up and replaced it before I recorded the video because it was just a quick speaker replacement. I didn't think there was anything interesting enough to record, but I do want to show the speaker failure because that is certainly video worthy. You can see here towards the center of the speaker, whoops, if I don't drop the daggone thing, there is a crack in the metal. That is as found when I opened it up. I have never seen that happen before, and I really cannot fathom how that would have happened. It looks like there was some kind of an impact damage, but you know, let's see if I can zoom this in a little bit. Oh, there we go. It's hard to hold it steady with so much magnification. I really have no idea how that would have transpired. Never seen anything like that. So, I also forgot to, I intentionally didn't bother putting those back in because I got to open it up to clean it anyways. But with the obvious failure out of the way, let's take a look at these and see how. Okay, I've been home all day, nobody called, and then it's 4 o'clock. No one's called all afternoon, and as soon as I turn the camera on, somebody calls. Anyways, I don't remember where we were in this video, so let's see what the ringer settings are at, and then we'll try calling it up. Okay, that's on full volume. And that one is on full volume as well. Okay. And the answering is on. What the greeting is like. Let's see here. There's 3 messages.
Hi, you've reached Mike and Chris. We're unable to get you a call right now, so if you leave a message, we'll call you back as soon as possible. Thank you, and you have a nice day.
Okay.
Record greeting after the beep.
Hello, this is the hardware store. If you're looking for cheese, you've called the wrong number.
Hello, this is the hardware store. If you're looking for cheese, you've called the wrong number.
Okay, let's call these phones up.
Hello, this is the hardware store. If you're looking for cheese, you called the wrong number.
I think there's going to be a call screening feedback freak show because call screening is on and it should be off for this. Thank you for your call.
Thank you for your call.
That is so ludicrous that it says that, because you're obviously not on the line anymore. Okay.
I think there's going to be a call screening feedback freak show because call screening is on and it should be off for this. End of final message.
Okay, that seemed to work. Let's see. Oh, the message is on there.
Message.
Hey, Nana, it's Preston. I'm calling from the other guy's job. Don't call back because I'm not going to be here unless you can call me back. No, don't call me back, I mean. I love you, and I'll see you hopefully Saturday. Please don't call me back because the boss Bill will get very mad, okay? Never mind. I love you, and bye-bye. I'll see you later.
Thursday, 10:53 a.m.
Okay.
Thursday, 7:10 p.m. Monday, 5:52 p.m. End of final message.